Okay, so we are with Chef.
Yeah, Travis Swikard.
There you go.
Yeah, and I'm opening a restaurant downtown this weekend. And construction's coming along. It's like, not the best time with all this thing everything happening, but it's just the most beautiful space. It used to be a place called the Cherry Americano before.
That was Chef Giuseppe, who's a dear friend of ours. We love Chef Giuseppe.
Yeah. We took everything out of there. We started from zero.
You know what? Blade 1936 is using some of Chef Giuseppe's former dishes that they bought. Yeah. Like, it's all like, let's just pay it forward, right?
We replaced everything. I can't wait for you guys to get to come up with that.
So, Chef,
That's the question every year.
because there's no patio, there's no outside dining. And Chef Travis is a father and a husband. Tell us about your family.
Two little boys, Taylor and Trevor turned 3 last week. My wife is Mia. She's from New York. My first name is New York City. I was looking at the chef there in New York City.
So tell us about your relationship with that crazy gal over there.
So that's one of my closest and longest friends for a very long time, and my partner in my restaurant, David. I started working with them my first job out of high school.
That's pretty cool.
I left and went to culinary school in Vermont and worked in London and Spain and France, and came back and worked in New York City for 10 years.
Famous restaurant.
Every day we kind of
Not a bad pedigree.
So Chef Deborah, she is so thrilled, proud, honored to have you back in San Diego, as are all of us. You were born here, right?
born and raised,
Yeah, born and raised. So this is like a big deal to get Travis back. So we're super excited.
I was raised here as a kid, and I just remember I wanted to give that to my kids. Manhattan's amazing, both my kids are born in New York City, but it's like, I grew up serving twice a day. I don't want to get into my kids.
So we love that you're wearing Mitch's surf shop, Solana Beach. Yeah,
Pretty much every day I wear Mitch's and my college swags and my outsuit and the same material shirt. The hat's the same as Mitch's hat.
nice.
The hat that the books are going to wear, and I'm probably going to packing this up.
Well, we can't wait to come and visit you. Very excited, and thank you for bringing out our beautiful dessert. Tell us what this is.
There's a new chef over at Island Prime, and I'm just helping him along. His name's Emiliano. This is the fruit desserts tonight. So these are strawberry Romanoff, kind of like the most classic, simple dessert that there is in strawberry season. Just macerated strawberries and whipped cream. And for me, it's like exactly what I want to eat on a warm day.
Okay.
And then you have a beautiful poached peach tart with a little vanilla custard inside, and a little toasted marcona almonds.
Gorgeous.
Super clean, simple. It's absolutely delicious. After having it.
Well, thank you. Thank you. Oh, you know what? Were you here? I wonder if Chef Travis was here the night we did our big company event. I don't know. You might have been here.
For our merger with
And it seems.
Oh, I remember when that happened. I don't know if I was here.
Were you here that night?
I saw pictures of you guys.
Yeah. So this is.
use the newspaper and all that stuff.
So we're the largest real estate company in the entire county, and this dude is the dude, right? So there's a boatload of kick-ass people in our company. We are very fortunate. We've been on Zoom meetings every day. Literally, at first it was 6 days a week, and now it's 5 days a week, like religiously. And what's crazy is we merged, right? Ascent Real Estate, which Penny Nathan, amazing, phenomenal, with Peter's company. But we don't know everybody. We haven't physically met, but we're on Zoom every day. So, yes. Oh my God, we so know him. Yeah.
My wife does, she does clean beauty brands. So she does the marketing and sales for clean beauty brands.
Ooh.
For Weston Atelier, which is one of the largest clean beauty brands there is. And she's kids at home for a while, and then she's like Zoom call every day. All of her clients are on the YouTube, so like it's like 7 a.m. She's like right on the Zoom call, so kitchen in the background, praying. It's like
I love it. I know sometimes you get like a little naked baby in their diaper run by.
Makes you real.
I think one of the coolest things, I know this sounds so weird, like you have to make limoncello out of lemons, but so many cool things have happened where you get to see Jimmy Kimmel at home, you get to see John Krasinski at home, you get to see musicians figure out how to play music together from home, you get to be intimately connected where before you never were.
now we're kind of all playing in the same field.
Right? Like I love when Chef Deb does, like she did her margarita, she made her coconut margarita online, thank God, and she did her cauliflower. Like I kept going, come on, do a video, do some videos, yeah.
I'm working with the charity and shooting. I have like 35 hours of footage of editing right now. So I've been cooking basically the cooking menu for Kellee, and just we're putting it out on the farm the rest of the day.
Whoa!
It's for a charity called Smarts Farm.
What's it called?
Smarts Farm.
Smarts Farm, okay.
And basically, the charity is to teach underprivileged children how to eat well and also how to raise their own food and also how to cook it.
I love that. Very cool.
Just go into the garden and pick whatever's growing. I create dishes with that.
Very cool. Now, do you know Chef David at Wrench and Rodent?
I've met him a few times, yeah.
Okay, so you guys need to connect. Did you know Chef James from Huntress and Looney in the Gaslamp? What? Oh my God, you gotta meet him. You guys are all gonna, all you guys are, yeah, you guys are all gonna love each. Have you met Chef Giuseppe? What?
Just took his space.
Okay. All right, so,
David did that talking. David did that talking.
okay, so you have to meet, you're gonna just love, you know what's cool about San Diego? And I think you already know this. Every single chef, nobody competes with anybody. You guys are all like a brotherhood and a sisterhood of love. And that's my favorite thing about all you, like I love you guys. Ah.
I'm connected with a lot of chefs. I'm connected with everybody, but
All right, I'm gonna introduce you to Chef James, David and Jessica Waite from Wrench and Rodent, The Plot. Do you know Chef Mario of Chicha? What? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! All right, we're gonna have like a Zoom
You've
meeting.
been slightly consumed since you've been back.
I've done a few. I did some pop-ups at Ironside and Port Oak and Greenville. So I don't know, like some people they say reach out to me and say, hey, do this and that.
Well, let's see if we can do like a Zoom chef thing. Wouldn't that be cool? Like to get all of the San Diego chefs. Do you know Chef Brian Malarkey? Okay, so you know Brian. So we just went Wednesday to the reopening. Yeah, they did a good job. They did a great job. Yeah,
Yeah, they've got that indoor patio.
with the roof. Yeah.
So it's really cool.
I don't know how that's really how that works, but
Well, you feel like you're outside.
this space is like the space there. It already feels like so big and open.
Yeah, you feel like you're outdoors. Well, you're amazing. We're so blessed.
He has that they have
Anime. Oh, yeah. So we haven't met him yet. You'll have to introduce us to him.
He's a super talented guy.
We've eaten there before he
So you know Crazy Puffer. Puffer is the genius behind all of Malarkey's restaurants.
And they're a dynamic duo together.
Well, you know what? That was a good marriage. A needed marriage. Very needed. Well, thank you, Chef. You're awesome. Thank you.